How to connect Android using a USB cable with Chromebook. Connect your Android to your Chromebook with a USB cable. Tap charging this device via USB on your Android screen. Select File Transfer under Use USB 4. Browse your files in the Files app. Unplug your Android from your Chromebook when you're finished.